guys, and welcome back to the Dawg shop. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to do a Halloween inspired scar makeup tutorial. Let's get started.
Okay, so for our materials we're gonna use some liquid latex, a sponge, some toilet paper, a foundation makeup with its sponge, some scissors, and some eyeshadow, specifically purple, reds, and pinks. We're gonna start by applying the liquid latex on our face wherever we want the scar to be. After applying it, we're going to start putting some pieces of toilet paper on it, and we're just gonna keep repeating these two steps of putting the latex and then some toilet paper. So we're done with layer number 1, and we're just gonna keep repeating these steps for a couple more layers. I will try to make between 3 and 4 layers. We're gonna let it dry a little bit, and we're gonna start making another scar on the other side of our face. This time I'm going to extend it towards the edge of my mouth, just to make it seem as if I'm being cut from my mouth towards the outside of my cheek. We're gonna keep repeating our steps of applying the latex and the toilet paper. Now that it's all dried, we're gonna start applying our foundation in the scars as well as our entire face, just to have an even color. Okay, so now be really careful. Take your scissors and try to find an opening from one of the edges of the scar and start cutting it. We're taking our eyeshadows and start applying our purples, pinks, and reds in the inside and outside of the scar. If you have some fake blood, you can put a little bit on the inside of the scar, as well as letting it drip a little bit. I did not have it on hand, so what I did was take some red body paint and start applying it towards the inside of the scar. Now I'm applying some dark lipstick. This is completely optional, I just wanted to finish the look with this. This should be your end result.
Okay guys, so that's all I have for you today. Please remember to click that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out, Fan Squad.